You just finished a meeting and your transcript says speaker 1 and speaker 2 the whole way through. Now you're re-listening to the recording just to figure out who said what. There's a way to skip that cleanup entirely. Let's use a tool like Tactiq to cover this gap. First, install the Tactiq Chrome extension and then create an account. It's totally free. Next, join your meeting like you normally would. Tactiq works in Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. And as the meeting happens, Tactiq builds a transcript in real time with real speaker names, no speaker A or speaker B. It pulls each participant's name straight from the account they're logged into. The moment the call ends, guest speakers stay correctly tagged the whole way through, even when voices sound similar or someone joins mid-conversation. And if a name still comes through wrong, rename it once in the Participants and Stats panel, and the fix applies across the entire transcript automatically. Install the free Tactiq Chrome extension using the link in the description, and subscribe for more meeting productivity tips.